Fineline offers comprehensive turnkey design and build services to mainly residential units, and also have a specialty team that takes care of commercial renovations and reconstruction projects. Clients nowadays have lesser time to deal with the day-to-day hustle when it comes to design or coordinations to renovate their dream home. As everyone are mostly busy in their own professional career, we can help them to achieve a seamless and hassle-free renovation experience.
Though armed with plenty of ideas on how they want to renovate their homes, most clients lack the product and technical knowledge to turn their dream homes into a reality. This is where Fineline comes into the picture to help them turnkey the projects while they manage their work schedules.
We emphasize on service, which we believe that trust and service are the anchor points of our business. By touching every client with a heart to serve, Fineline believe that we should be the market leader in establishing long-term trust with our clients by giving our utmost effort.
The main reason we choose to do our own joinery works personally is because we want better quality and detailing control. This gives us the advantage to customize based on our client needs. We take pride in our joinery workings, which is the most important piece of jigsaw puzzle to an ultimate dream home. For all reno materials, we work closely with our other partners to ensure best quality too.
Apart from quality design and good delivery of the renovation works, we also emphasize on our after-sales service. All works comes with workmanship warranty, and all maintenance works are followed up promptly to provide greater customer satisfaction.
Our testimonials and constant referral and support from happy clients motivate us to continue to add value by ensuring that we continue to put in our best effort as a team for our future clients and establish the long-term relationship from clients to become close friends. This is what truly motivates the Fineline team.